This is the final video to fix SysInfoCap exe using high memory on HP computers. Are you also facing the problem where SysInfoCap exe is eating up a lot of memory on your HP laptop or desktop? It can make your computer slow, laggy, and even cause programs to freeze. Here's why it happens. SysInfoCap exe is a process used by HP for system information and diagnostics. Sometimes it can get stuck, run in the background too long, or conflict with other programs, which causes it to use excessive memory. You may see a lot of solutions online, but most of them are complicated and hard to follow. When I faced this problem, I found a simple trick that actually works. Here's a normal solution you can try. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Find SysInfoCap exe and click End Task. Then, go to HP Support Assistant, make sure it's updated, or disable SysInfoCap from starting automatically in Task Manager under the Startup tab. If you want to make a detailed step-by-step tutorial showing all possible fixes for SysInfoCap exe high memory usage, comment down below.